Just a few little tricks to make a creamy pasta and beans. Really good, good, good. Make it with me, because I'm sure you'll be licking your lips, even if you don't have a mustache. Let's make it together, let's start. So first of all, I start cooking the broth, always made the usual way. So just to give you an idea, 2 liters of water, 2 stalks of celery, 2 carrots, 1 large onion, and then if you prefer a bit of salt, a tablespoon of double concentrated tomato paste, and a splash of extra virgin olive oil. Then when the broth is ready, I cut some celery. By the way, let me remind you that my 2 cookbooks are only available on Amazon. Just search for Carlo Gaiano recipe book and you'll receive them in at most 2 days. Then I chop a bit of onion, chop it a little and cut it. I put a drizzle of oil in a pan, add some parsley stems, then I add the celery, garlic and the freshly chopped onion, let them saute. Then I add the dried chili pepper. Always tell you, I add the dried one at the end, otherwise it burns. If it were fresh, I would have added it from the beginning. I add the beans. Borlotti beans pre-cooked. I rinse them. Let me know in the comments below if you rinse the pre-cooked ones or not. Then I add 5 to 6 ladles of boiling vegetable broth. After that, I cover and let it cook for at least 15 minutes on medium heat. Okay, after 15 minutes, I remove the parsley stems. Then I just give it a couple of pulses with the hand blender. After that, I add the pasta. Give it a nice stir. And let it cook. Adding more boiling broth only if needed. Okay, 2 minutes before it's done cooking, I turn off the heat. Cover it with a lid and let it rest for 4-5 minutes. Here it is. Now I add a bit of parsley and a little bit of salt. I tasted it and it needed a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. After one last stir, look at this spectacle. And I plate it. Here it is. A drizzle of oil. Let's see. A bit. Let's see. Today I'm going to get burned. Oh my! Make it and let me know what you think in the comments below. For now, I'll say goodbye, and as usual, before I leave you, I want to wish you a good meal.